changing the coordinate system in QGIS. And to change coordinate system in QGIS, you go to project, and on the project you go down to properties. Then from properties you make sure that you are on the CRS. But I'm going to close this down and show you a quicker way to which you can get to the CRS tab. Now when you come down here, remember in our last lecture we explained the status bar. So when you come down to the status bar, you go to the EPSG 4326. So you click on it, and then it's going to take you right back to the properties and the CRS. Now on the CRS, you can type in the coordinate system you're looking for here, or the ones you've recently used, you will see them appearing here. Or you come under the predefined coordinate system, and then you look at all of them here. You make a choice, you type in, or you use the predefined, that's the one you've recently used. Alright, so I'm just going to click, because this is Nigeria, the whole Nigeria. I'm going to use GCS. I'm just going to click on WGS 1984. When that is done, I will click on OK. So once I click on OK, the coordinate system has been changed. So this is how you can change coordinate system in QGIS. Thank you for watching.